actually. Like, they look so nice. Oh my God. And it's like a pop of color right here. Like, this is exactly what I was going for. Hey everyone, it's your girl Koko Glow. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you these glasses that have been sent to me by a company that is sponsoring this video right now. So shout out to Fytoo, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. When I do my videos, sometimes I switch off from my glasses to my contacts, but y'all, I really wear glasses. I love glasses. I love the fact that I have the option to switch to either my contacts or I can wear any other type of glasses I want. Fytoo have sent me some glasses that I will be showing y'all. I'm going to show y'all the box right now. So this is the box. It came in a nice little blue box. I love the packaging. It's simple. It has the name on clear tape right here, and it says better glasses, clearer world. So true, because nobody want to walk around blind. Okay, so this is the packaging. I kind of opened one side already because I was trying to make sure it was everything that I asked for. The next thing that was in the box was this. Is like it says Fytoo better glasses, clear world, and it's basically like instructions on their company, their glasses, and it also says thank you in the back. They also have a link right here. You just scan it with your phone and their site will pop up. So if you don't want to type, and you know, I see a lot of people doing this nowadays, which is very cool. It's like a barcode. So you could just scan the barcode on the camera on your phone, and then their website will pop up. And then it says thank you right here. They also have down to little kids on their website, which is a very, very good. Especially during this time, nobody really wants to go out to their appointments. Like, they want to do everything online. Like, I swear technology is really winning right now. But yes, this is the little information packet they put inside of the box about their website. Y'all should just go check it out. I'm gonna definitely leave the link down below for you guys. So if you're interested in purchasing glasses, they also have shades there too. Y'all definitely should go check that out. And then they also have their social medias. They have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. So like I said before, I will leave everything down below for you guys. Ooh, the next thing that they put in the box, I think this is to wipe the glasses off. We're gonna open one. So they sent me two. So I'm gonna open this one and we're gonna see how it looks. This is definitely a plus in my book. They are super duper gonna get my customers. They're gonna have me going back shopping again. What was that? Oh, I don't know what this is for. I think this is to tighten the glasses, I believe. Don't give me the line, y'all. Yeah, I think this is like a little screwdriver, just in case if your glasses is coming loose, you can definitely tighten it back up with this. This is definitely so nice and thankful of them to put that in there, because y'all already know, like, for me and for people that wear glasses, once that screw come out, like, you're messed up. You're gonna have to go back to the eye doctor and have them just tighten that screw if you can't do it. So again, they have a glasses wipe. This feels so good too. Oh man, this definitely feels good. But this is a glasses wipe to clean your lenses off when it gets dirty. And this is definitely what y'all better go on Fytoo and go order some glasses, y'all. Stop playing. If you know, if you're in the same boat as me and we wear glasses, definitely go check out their site. So I'm going to show you the first pair of glasses. Ooh, this is so pretty. I like this. I definitely like this case. It's actually not a case. It's one of those drawstring bags. So basically, this is the bag. It says Fytoo on it. It feels so good. It's soft. And again, it has their name on it. I like the fact that it has the little glasses right here. That is so cute and that is so smart to do. But yes, so I'm going to show y'all the first pair that I have picked out. They have so many good options on that site. Like, I'm definitely going to go back and get me a couple of other pairs. How Fytoo works, you have to have your prescription on hand, as in like your eyesight. You need to know the dimensions of your eyes and the sizing. Also too, on their website, you can actually upload a picture of yourself and you can try on different glasses to see how they fit your face before you even check out, before you even do anything. Because I know a lot of people like, oh, I hope these fit on my face or something like that. But yes, they have the option where you can upload one of your pictures and you can just try on different glasses that you feel like is gonna fit your face. This is the first pair I'm gonna show y'all right now. So this is like, I would say it's an oversized look. I love oversized glasses. I feel like it looks sexy. It's like Liberian, you know, kind of type vibe. So this is, it's brown. It's two different browns, and they have like the little, like a gold little design on the side. It's nothing too crazy. I really like it a lot. It caught my eye because it's simple, but it is cute. And I definitely tried it on the site. So I said, you know what? I feel like this is the fit. Let me get it now. Let me try it on and see how it will look on my face. So thank you to Fytoo for sending me these glasses and sponsoring this video again. Now I'm gonna try it on for you guys. As you see, it has saran wrap on the lens. I guess that's to make sure that the lens does not get scratched up, which is very protective of them to do that. I wasn't expecting them to do that, but I honestly like the fact that they're taking care of their packages when they send it out. That is a plus in my book. I love a company that take care and send out the package properly so it will not get harmed on the way of being delivered. So these are the glasses. Jesus Christ. Let me find out I'm that blind. So I'm gonna take the glasses that I have off right now. I'm gonna be blind for like 2.5 seconds, so bear with me. So here we go. These are so cute. So now we're gonna put these on. Yes, you see how that just popped out? Oh my God, these are so freaking cute. I knew that they was gonna look so nice on my face, and like I said, for them having the option of trying on the glasses on their site, like, oh my God, that made matters work so much better for me. So I won't be panicking as in like thinking that it wasn't gonna fit. But yes, this is exactly the look that I was going for. But these are so nice and they're comfortable around my ears. Like, it's so comfortable around my ears. Like, it's not even funny. It's like it just, like, it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly for me. But comment down below if you like these glasses. I think they look so nice. Y'all comment down below. Let me know how these look. We're gonna get into the second pair of glasses. So the second pair of glasses that I had picked on Fytoo site. So again, these are the glasses. And on the ear handle of the glasses, you have red. It's like red right here on the tips. I really love these glasses. This is like a cat type glasses. I'm gonna try it on now. Ooh, these are definitely cute. These are cute. I like both of them actually. Like, they look so nice. Oh my God. Like, I really love these. These are so nice. Oh my gosh. Like, comment down below if you like these on me or if you like the other ones on me. Also too, I will be leaving a promo code for you guys. You know I can't leave y'all out. Y'all know I can't leave y'all out. So I will have a promo code down below for you guys if you want the glasses that I just had on or these glasses. Make sure if you want either of these glasses, you use the promo code down below at checkout and you will get your discount, okay? But make sure y'all go and hop on these bad boys because y'all know your girl is gonna be styling. I think I'm gonna wear these all day today. Like, these are so cute. I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me showing you these glasses. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my page. And I'm gonna see y'all next time.